I got a, well, it must have come to you and then you put it on my desk yesterday, some heads up on some legislature bills, and it looks like the state is going to take over the mental health.
Did you read the article in the Sunday paper? There's an article about it, and Lynn Farrell.
What was he quoted? He said,
he said they're talking about the state system and the pros. He said, what's wrong with all this is, you know, they need more money to take care of people, and by rearranging or reorganizing isn't necessarily, his point was, unless there's more money put in to be used for services, it's not going to solve the problem. And that's about the only thing that made sense to me in the article.
The couple things that I saw, one difference of the Senate and the House file, one or the other, and I can't remember which was which, but one only took over the Medicaid part of it, which still left us with the things that are paid for locally. And then when you read down the consequences of each bill, one bill had us still levying and forwarding that money, and the second one didn't define whether we were going to be able to levy or not. And one concern that I had voiced all along was that if we can't levy, I wanted them to either take the whole thing or not. I mean, if you're going to do this, you need to take it all and the responsibilities that go with it. But the one big fear is that if we're left with some of the local things that we still need to pay for, we have to have an avenue to pay for them. And one of the, either the House file or the Senate file, didn't allow us to levy. So I'm not sure how that's going to.
How do you solve that? You know, that levy cap or levy rate dates back to like 12 years.
96.
So there's a discrepancy between counties. You know, I only know what we do, and I don't know how that relates. Like, I don't know what it is in Calhoun County.
You can come up with
You follow me?
Yeah.
There's got to be some uniformity between counties. You know, maybe based on population, this is what your fair share. If they do, if we do have to continue to generate local dollars and then pass it to the state, they've got to come up with a uniform what's right.
That's a huge obstacle, but one of the other concerns locally, we're collecting our maximum dollar amount that we can collect. Well, with that said, everybody's maximum dollar number is different in the 99 counties, so everybody's levy number is different. But they could make an arrangement where they say, well, you need to have a levy rate of $1.50. Ours is like $1.06. If we now collect $1.50, we're going to send an additional amount of money in, and then have to ask to get it back to help pay for the folks that we have. So I mean, it's a huge, confusing situation, and I'm not really sure how it's all going to get sorted out. I just hope they do it right. I'm not confident in that yet. But yeah, everybody's levy number is different, and everybody's
I think ours is on the low side.
If I recall, there are some that are less than 80 cents and some that are higher than $2.
Okay.
And we're at $1.06. We're on the low side.